In this video, we're going to cover adding new posts to your blog and how to customize in post mode as we mentioned in the previous video. Let's click back to blog and then we'll click add new post. And we get a pop-up here asking us to enter some preliminary information about the post, so let's give it a title. Top 10 DIY household repairs. And then post author. Now the drop down here will maybe give you some options for authors that you've used in previous blogs, but otherwise you can just type something here. I'll just put my name. And now we need a main image for the post. And don't worry, you can always update all of this later. Let me just pick something quick here. And we'll click start. And it's that simple. Our title and image are already showing, and don't worry, I'll show you where you can change this later. Scrolling down a bit, we've got the body content of our blog plopped here within an inner row. I've got a subtitle, another image, some body text, any of which I can click into and revise just like a normal page in my website. And you're certainly not limited to what's here. If you want to add another text box or image or gallery or any widget for that matter, go for it. Let's go into our widgets library. Let's grab a photo gallery and we'll drop it underneath our body text. There you go. It'll remain housed in this inner row, but you can build it as full of content as you wish. Now we can either click up here to done when we're finished, or if you're ready for it to be visible on your site, click publish post. And there you go. Now anywhere you have blog widgets implemented on your site, this post will now be the most recent one in that list. And now up here we can see the button has actually changed to republish. So if you make any changes down the line, just give it a quick republish and all changes will be updated instantaneously. Now let's click back to blog. And now inside manage posts, we can see our top 10 DIY blog is now top of the list. And also inside this manage posts window is where you can make all of the back-end customizations to the blog and how it appears on your site. There's an edit button here, which is another way to access the blog and make changes like we just did. Then we've got this gear icon. Let's give this a click. And here we have a ton of settings for the post itself. You can customize the link to this particular post to anything you want. You can change the publish date, which is handy if you need to maybe backdate a bunch of posts for a revamped site. Down here, you can change the title, author, and main image, which again will be reflected automatically on the top of the blog. And down here, we've got some metadata for SEO that you can play with. Alt text for the post thumbnail, post description, and tags.
For more training videos, please go to www.ignitesignsandvisual.com.au.